Hello everyone, this is Fawad. Welcome to Future on Cloud. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can upgrade our software iOS or switch iOS from TFTP server. So let me show you the iOS first, which I'm going to upgrade now. This is my iOS, which I'm going to upgrade EC5090. And let me have a look what is the currently installed. EC500 is the current version, so we will upgrade it to EC509. So first of all, you need to configure the IP address on interface VLAN. So currently VLAN 1 is not configured with any IP interface VLAN. So let's configure the IP first. I'm configuring 10.2 because one is configured at my laptop side. So let me show you that one as well. So 10.1 at my side and 10.2 is on the device side. So let's put a continuous ping here. Okay, so the communication is there. So let's exit from the system view, type TFTP, then IP address of your laptop, then get and copy this file name along with the extension CC. Just paste it, and prior to enter it, just select the directory where your ISO is located. So in my case, it is on the desktop folder ISO, and it is connected through this IP address. So just have a look at show directory. As you can see, it is available here. So now we can press enter. Yes, override. So the configuration is started now. So as you can see here, it's going on. So it will take around 15 to 20 minutes. So let me pause the video. So once it is completed, I'll resume it back. So currently installation is going on. So let's wait a couple of more minutes. All right. So installation is about to finish now. So the last thing what we need to do is we need to set up this file as a system startup file. All right. So the file is uploaded successfully. Go to system mode and let me try here. Start system software, and you need to copy the same file name with the extension and paste it here. All right, so let's have a look. Display version. Still, it is the old one. So now we need to reboot the device. Type Y, press enter, reboot. All right, so I'm going to pause the video again. So let it reboot the device, then I'll resume it back. Here, don't forget to press Y to save the configuration. Otherwise, your OS will not be boot, right? And then later on, you need to reboot the device. All right, so system is boot up. So let's have a look. So now it is upgraded to PC5090, PC5090. So, so this one we need to remove it. So let's remove the old software version, which is this one. So just copy this file name, delete flash, and the file name which you just copied. Such file or path does not exist. So I just put this forward slash because earlier the forward slash was not there. So let's try this one. So delete flash. Okay, 500C is the older one. Yes. All right. So the older one is not available now. So only we have the new one. All right. So this is it for now. Stay tuned. Keep watching. See you in next video.